This is a video on how to save files in your Chris environment folder and then how to find them once you've saved them there. I'm going to start by sharing my screen so that you can see what I see. All right, here's the desktop. We're going to start by going to the internet. I've already started by finding images of trees, PowerPoints about trees, and a PDF about trees. And I'm going to show you how to save each one of them and then how to find them again once they're in your environment folder. So we'll start by saving this one. This is just a random image of a tree. To save a picture or an image of a tree, you right click, you say Save Image As. This will then give you a drop-down box or a pop-up where you want to save it. So you have all of these different options of places you can save your tree. Where do you want to save it? Well, we're pretending that this is a picture for your environment class. So we're going to save it to Chris Environment. All of your class folder names will be named Chris Environment, or if it was a civics class, Chris Civics, or if it was a firefighting class, Chris Firefighting. I've also pinned it to quick access. So no matter where you are, you could be in Outlook or desktop or email attachments, you can always scroll up here. Even if this is folded up, it will be under quick access because we pinned it. So you can go to Chris Environment and you can save it as whatever file name you want. We'll name it tree and it will save as a JPEG. Save, you're good. It's down here. So that's convenient for now. Now let's go to the PowerPoint. We'll go to Everybody Needs Trees. Sounds great. We'll click on this one. This one doesn't pop up with the same box that asks you where you want to save it. That's okay. It's down here. For now, we know where it is. So we're going to drag this internet window over to the right side by clicking down on the gray and dragging it all the way over to the right. See, it will open up like this. And then we'll click on the file folder icon down here. We'll put this one over on the left by dragging it all the way over to the left, and it will automatically open on the left side. We know we want to put it in the Chris Environment folder. So the Chris Environment folder is right there under quick access. It will always be there. And we can click the PowerPoint file and we can drag it over into the Chris Environment folder. And now it's there. Unit 1, Activity 1, Everybody Needs Trees. And you can open it from there. Ta-da! Now, last one, we have an Adobe PDF. How do we save this? Similar way to how we saved all the other ones. There's a download icon right here. You can see the arrow pointing down. That often means download. And when you hover over it, it says download. So you can click on that. And this again pops up with a box. So no matter where we are, videos, desktop, order status, you can go to quick access and right under there, Chris Environment. And we can call this Urban Trees. And we can save it to Chris Environment. And again, it's down here. But what if we close out of this page? Do we know where those things are? Well, we do. We can go to the file folder button right here. It looks like a folder. Click on that. And no matter where we are right now, we're in quick access, which means we'll be able to see the folders that we've recently done. That works because these are files that we've recently opened or edited. But what if we were at email attachments, photos, or downloads? Well, all we'd have to do is go to quick access and then Chris Environment. It's right there. So all of those files that we just downloaded are right here. Tree, that pops up right over here. That's the tree file that we just downloaded. What about Unit 1 Activity, Everybody Needs Trees? Well, we don't get a preview for that, but we can open it. Oh, we do. Everybody Needs Trees. This is our tree PowerPoint. Perfect. And then lastly, our Adobe PDF also comes up. Urban Tree Selection. Great. So all of those are here. What's another easy way to access Chris Environment? Well, we can go down to the search bar and we can write Chris Environment. This will pop up and that's perfect. We know that that's the right folder because this is the only folder on the computer named Chris Environment. And again, all of these are right there.